10 things you can do with Chrome that can improve your developer experience. If you go into Chrome's developer tools on the console tab, you can filter the logs by name by typing in the filter input, or even choose the type of logs you want to display, such as info, warnings, and errors. If you ever come across a loop that refreshes the console and you can't see the logs you need to find, you can go to the settings and click on Preserve Log. This will preserve all the logs even on page reload. You can actually change the screen size of your application by clicking the Toggle Device toolbar and then choosing a predefined size from the top bar. You can also manually change the sizes by dragging the sides of the screen. Additionally, you can change to the size of a specific device by clicking on the Dimensions dropdown and selecting a device of your choice. If you have any kind of CSS animation, you can actually change the values by clicking on the editor next to the attribute. This will open a visual editor which allows you to easily see what the animation will look like and change the values more intuitively. You can do the same with colors by clicking the color box next to the attribute value. This will open the color editor, which allows you to easily change the color, pick a different color with the color picker, and even change the color format of your choice. If you click on the Select Element button at the top, you can actually select the HTML element while hovering your mouse over that element. Track all incoming and outgoing network requests by going to the Network tab. You can then filter the requests by time of the requests by sliding the window in the timeline, by type of requests by clicking the tags on the top, or even by typing the request name on the filter input. To test the synchronous UI and network requests for a full spectrum of users, you can simulate different internet connections by going to the Network tab and clicking the No Throttling dropdown. You can then choose a different mobile connection or even go completely offline. You can even go deeper by clicking the Add button to create a custom network profile with custom download and upload speeds as well as latency. To obtain a general report of your website, go to the Lighthouse tab and click Analyze Page Load. This will evaluate your website based on certain metrics including performance, accessibility, best practices, and search engine optimization. By going to the Application tab, you can check all of your browser storage, such as the local and the session storage, as well as add, edit, and delete items from it. You can also check and manipulate all of the IndexedDB databases, cookies, cached storage, and many more. If you have multiple web workers running, you can check them in the Sources tab. On the right, you will see all of the running threads in your application. You can also check the code of each of the workers by clicking on the file name on the left. If you don't know what a web worker is, you can check out my video that talks about it. I hope this helped you guys, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!